Hi, and welcome to YOKOR window. In this installation guide, we're going to install the architectural handle on the sliding door. So let's make sure we have all the tools that you require. Now grab the handle, grab the screws with the washers on it. What you want to do is put the screws from the inside out with the washer already on it. Grab the outside, put the two washers over the screws on the outside, place the handle on, making sure the washers stay square with the tube handle. And place the inside handle on. Grab the Allen key. Put the two together and do the little lug screw up. And there you have it. That's the sliding door, architectural sliding door handle. Thank you.